My Whirlpool fridge freezer has the temp display lights flashing, but it is still working. Can you help? I am based in the UK, by the way. The unit had a motor replaced in November as well. I have had it since 2001. Hi, I'm Daniel and I'll be helping you today. I've been repairing white goods for 20 plus years and currently work for a well-known manufacturer. Can you post the model number, please? Regards.
Where can I find that, please?
It's usually behind the salad drawer inside the fridge section. Is this a side-by-side or normal upright fridge?
It is a side-by-side, fridge on right as you face it, freezer on left.
Hi, okay, is it all the lights flashing on the display or the high temperature light flashing? Regards.
All the display lights, so 18 degrees and 5 degrees. All lights inside are fine and appliance is working.
Hi, okay, so it's all the lights on the front display board on the freezer door that's flashing. This is a very common fault on these side-by-side appliances, and it's the control boards. Now it can be either the front or the rear board that causes this fault. As what it is the capacitors on the boards go weak and it causes this fault. Now usually it's the display board on the freezer which causes this, but it can also be the rear board, so it's a case of replacing it and seeing how it goes. But if you are handy at electronics, you can actually repair the boards. You just need to replace the capacitors on both boards. Now you can buy the capacitor kits of the likes of eBay, so it's just a case of resoldering them on the boards. But if you don't want to go messing with the boards, then it's case or replacing the boards. Now, like I said, it's very common on these Whirlpool side-by-side appliances. I've replaced loads of them for this fault. Regards.
So we have someone coming out next week. Will the fridge be okay until then? It is working fine at moment. Whirlpool hasn't exactly been helpful and only can come out next Thursday.
Hi, yes, to be honest, I've seen this fault be like this on some machines for months and the appliance itself still work. It's just weak caps on the board that causes the lights to flash, so the appliance itself should still work fine. I've heard this before a lot about Whirlpool, that they don't rush to call out. Regards.
Thanks very much for putting my mind at rest. Most helpful, smile.
You're very welcome. If you could rate the service I gave, that would be great if you haven't already. Many thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.